Oh my god, I was craving chicken and noodles, but you know I had to make it vegan. I started off by preparing my jackfruit. Now, when you're cooking jackfruit, you want to make sure you're cooking all of the water out of it. You want to make sure it's a little dry. That way it doesn't have that briny taste. And then once you add all of your seasonings and a little bit of water, it'll loosen back up. Next, I took my oil, my celery and carrots, added some peppers, some salt, and some garlic powder, and gave that a stir and let those cook for a little bit. Then you want to add your flour and allow your flour to cook for a little bit. I added my veggie broth and I let that cook for a little bit to allow it to thicken up. I gave it a stir and then I went on ahead and added me some water and I added me some plant milk. I gave that a good mix and then I went ahead and added me some thyme. I added me some parsley. I added me some vegan chicken bouillon cubes. Mixed all of those seasonings together and then I went ahead and added my jackfruit, gave that a mix. I allowed it to simmer for a couple of minutes and then I went ahead and added my eggless egg noodles. Y'all make sure they are eggless egg noodles. Make sure you're reading the ingredients. But I went ahead and mixed those in and let that simmer until the noodles were done. Looking for bomb vegan recipes? Click the link in the bio.